looking through clouds like sheets of paper in the sky.
I liked this before it was cool. Woohoo! Yeah! Dubstep party! Let's get the whoop set up. Hello, everybody. My name's Dubstep Piggy. And today, I'm doing some dubstep. Yeah! Oh my gosh, this music's so good! I love it! It sounds dumb to me. Maybe that pig isn't half bad. I need to talk to him after the recital. DJ Pig? Yes? I saw you earlier today, and I was wondering if you would like to have something special. I love special things. I mean, dubstep is the perfect music for the new generation. Don't you agree? Yes, why I do agree. And I think you would make a perfect pig to be in a world tour. A world tour? You mean like I can record albums, make records, and even go across the world? Yes, my dear piggy. Yes. So, after the recital was done, they were talking for a while until they finally came on a conclusion. Well, Piggy, I will be seeing you in a little while. But in the meantime, think about what you want to call yourself. Call me. What should I call my name? I am very handsome as being a piggy, and I like dubstep. But what should my name be? Hey, Piggy. Oh, hey, chicken. You know what? I never actually really knew your name. What is your real name? My name is McClucky. Bing! So, tell me, what are you talking about, this dubstep band? Well, I was, just the other day I saw this man, and he told me that I could go and record an album. Oh, well, this is a big thing for you, I can see. The only problem is I need to have a name for myself. Oh, don't worry. We'll just use the random name generator.
Hello, I am the name generator.
Okay, name generator. Please give the name to a band with pigs and dubstep.
Scanning. Ooh, I found one. How about the Truffles?
That's it! TruffleStep! Thank you, random name generator.
This will now self-destruct. 3, 2, 1.
Well, that was weird. Anyway, how are you? So, do you like TruffleStep, Piggy? Yeah, I love TruffleStep. Do you wanna start recording the album? Sure. We'll just be like a group dubstep band, like all those other popular bands. Okay, I'm here to listen to you sing. Wait, what? I thought you were... What? But I thought I had to go to like a studio. This isn't a studio. I'm listening to you sing. Oh, sing? You thought I was actually singing? Well, duh. You have a really great voice. It sounds like you're glitching out. Oh, I'll try.
There once was a piggy hat, he was so mean, and he loved the color green. He loved broccoli, he loved cabbage, and he was so savage. He was Papa Pig, yeah, he was Papa Pig, and he was very angry at me. Yeah, he's Papa Pig. He is Papa Pig, and he is looking at me. Yeah, he climbed a mountain using his cane and using his old newspaper, and he listened to the oldest songs. Whoa. No, you did not do that last night. Why did you stop doing what you did last night? I gotta tell you, I had a machine. A machine? A machine? Are you kidding me? I thought that glitching was vocal talent. No matter. I will just send in my brother Luigi to handle it. Okay, sure. Wait, where did you go, McClucky?
I'm back here.
Okay, so bring out your equipment and I'll bring in Luigi.
Yay! Woohoo!
Hello, it's me, Luigi.
And I have one of my kids set up.
Excellent! Luigi, I love a dubstep.
Why do you sound like that guy from a video game?
Because, Luigi, I love to play some dubstep.
1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go now! Here we go!
Ready, aim, fire.
Woohoo! Yeah! Woo!
Drop the bass. Drop the bass. That was a perfect demo! Yes, I should say it all. It's a shame that that's not actually your voice. I don't care, big brother. I love a dubstep.
So what do you say?
You're going to places, kid.
Woohoo! I can see it now.
Me and Chicken on a big runway. It would be perfect. We love you. We love you, Team Truffles. We love you, TruffleStep. Yeah, woohoo! Yeah, TruffleStep. Woohoo! Yeah. Yes, that would be a perfect.
Okay, so let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, TruffleStep! Get ready to hit a beat.
Woohoo!
Yeah, woohoo! Woohoo! I can fly. Yeah, woohoo! See you later, everybody. Here I go. Woohoo! Yahoo! We are Team TruffleStep. That video was amazing. Oh, we did so good on that dubstep music video. We're gonna be famous. Can you believe it, McClucky? No, I can't. I can't believe it. We're Team TruffleStep. Well, now this is amazing. I must say I have to commend you on that wonderful dubstep music. I can't stop listening to it. I can't believe it. You actually did it. Yeah, I can't believe it. No, Papa Pig was wrong. I can make a living by dubstep. Maybe it's a trap built by the sheep. You say that about everything. Luigi? Yes, big brother? I think we can make money off these two. Money like a hoe? Money like moolah. Moolah? Oh, I like the way you think, brother. Listen up, boys. You both will be put on a tour. Yay, McClucky, did you hear that? I have strange fright. Oh, don't worry. We will start out small. Super small.
I thought this would be a small concert.
Oh, you thought this is a small concert. Small concert for a rock star! Okay, a one, a two. Give me a beat, dubstep DJ. Okie dokie, baby pig.
This isn't as bad as I thought. Woo!
Come on, sheeps, dance with me. Yeah, I'm a baby pig and I say. You think you can get me now? I'm strong and I am round. I am a pig. Yes, I'm 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 a pig! Oh my gosh! What's happening? Why are we all turning green? No! We're all turning green! What's happening? Oh no! Wait a second! Who's that ahead? On top of us? Did you honestly think that it was just a simple playthrough? I have been doing this the whole time. Since the evil Cowmaster has been thrown in jail, I asked his brother, Cowploy, if he could give me some of his technology. I've been using you, baby pig. Hey, you know what? I have something you don't. What's that? I realized something. Nobody uses a British accent when they talk to dubstep except people that live in England. And maybe, of course, some people that do live in America that have British accents. But the point I'm trying to make is, you seemed like a bad guy from the start. Everybody knows that in James Bond movies, the bad guys have weird accents. So, since you're an old bad guy, there's only one thing that I can defeat you with.
Oh yes, and what is that? I have all these sheep captive and turned into dubstep sheep.
Well, you have made fake clones, 'cause I got the real deal right here. Say goodbye, evil sheep.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh no!